Hi guys. Okay, so before I go ahead and go to my workout, I'm just going to show you guys my oral care. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how I brush my teeth and the products that I use. I just want to say thank you so much to Moon Oral Care for sponsoring today's video. Can we just talk about how nice they look on my vanity? They look so chic. Alright, before I go ahead and show you guys what I use to brush my teeth, I'm going to do a little haul. So we have the Stain Removal Whitening Toothpaste, fluoride free, in the flavor Lunar Peppermint from Moon. And then I also have one in Activated Charcoal Whitening Toothpaste. So they're the same flavor, they're both Lunar Peppermint, but one is an Activated Charcoal and the other one is a stain removal. We all know that we can stain our teeth by drinking coffee or wine, so that's really awesome to use. And then I have the Moon Whitening Anti-Cavity Toothpaste with fluoride, and this is in the flavor Fresh Mint. I don't know if I should use the word flavor because we're literally not consuming any of these. And then we have the Moon Alcohol-Free Activated Charcoal Whitening Mouth Rinse, because you need to rinse your mouth, guys. And this whitens teeth and freshens breath with Elixir X blend for a healthy looking smile. So we have this in the flavor Lunar Peppermint, and don't go anywhere, I still have more. We have the Kendall Moon Teeth Whitening Pen. Yes, this is the one that Kendall Jenner was endorsing, or like in that photo where she's like, I can't do it, I'm not Kendall Jenner, but you get the point. We got the toothbrush. I also have one with bright bristles, but I have been using the black one because I feel like it's just so stinking cute. Like, I don't have a black, all black, matte black toothbrush. Up next, we have the Moon Dust Advanced Whitening Teeth Whitening Paste Booster. You can apply this after putting toothpaste here. You can just go ahead and dab it. It's free of SLS, SLES, triclosan, parabens, animal products, and artificial flavors. We have the Stain Prevention Teeth Wipes, and this is great to use after drinking wine or after coffee because you do get a little bit of residue on your teeth, like the red color or like the brown color, and obviously you don't want to like walk around with that, so it's good to just have this. And if you guys are wondering how it looks like, which I'm pretty sure you are, this is the package. This is the package right here. So you just go ahead and rip it. It's so cool, you guys. And you just go like this. Let's see if I have any stains. I don't. Yeah, you can't really see it, but this is great if you're like on the go, like if you just finished brunch or you just went to dinner and you want that fresh, bright smile. You can go ahead and use these packets right here. They're really easy to carry around because they are in little, you know, packets. And last but not least, we have the Moon Clean Slide Flossers, and this is wax. It helps remove plaque and promotes gum health. You cannot be flossing your teeth only once a month, once a week. You have to do it every single day to keep the gums healthy. Those are all the things that I have for this oral care haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now let's go ahead and watch me brush my teeth. Dude, we're matching though. Oh, ish. Just don't look at my mom. We're like totally off. I just finished hot Pilates, like I mentioned 50 times, but it wasn't recording. I took a new instructor today. Her name was Alexis, and at hot Pilates there's like different classes where you can target specific areas on your body. So I usually take the abs, arms, like the full body one, but today I took Alexis and I took the booty workout. And let me just say, it was so good. I think she's my second favorite instructor at hot Pilates, with Lacey being first. But yeah, I just wanted to try something new because I don't want to get used to the same workout. Like, my body's not gonna benefit from it if I'm always doing the same workout, you know? I usually take a shower at hot Pilates, but today, since like I'm not going anywhere after, I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna sit through like traffic in my sweat, and that's why I'm wearing this sweater, because I don't want my sweat to transfer on my leather seats. And yeah, so good workout. I love working out, guys. Hey guys, so I'm at lunch right now and I got poke. I love poke. I have some edamame, spicy tuna, salmon, scallop, furikake, rice, and seaweed, and then I just have some sriracha with soy sauce. And I'm gonna actually do some work here. Good morning, you guys. So I just got this smoothie. I believe this is like the berry antioxidant smoothie. It has blueberries, strawberry, and like other berries. And then I also got a bagel with cream cheese and it's toasted. And I'm just going to be answering some emails. Hi guys, good morning. So I just got to Pilates. I had one class this morning and now I'm at Pilates, and I'm gonna go back, and this is my workout outfit for today. This whole set is from Set Active. I don't know if you guys can see the color, but it's like this really nice green one. Sorry, the sun is like right in front of me right now. I don't know if I should like switch the car. Okay, this is not the look right now. What's up, you guys? I'm actually trying out Barry's Bootcamp today, and I'm highly scared because, one, I don't really run. Like, I run on the treadmill, but I don't really run. And Barry's Bootcamp is like a combination of like running and then doing chest, arms, and ab workouts on the floor. So I'm very scared. So it's kind of like Rumble, except instead of boxing, you're running. So I'm excited though, because I've heard a lot of great like reviews about them. So I'm here. I'm a little bit early. It's 11:16 right now. My class is in an hour. So I just parked like on Ventura right now because there's 2-hour free parking in their garage. Just like want to make sure that like I utilize that time when I'm working out, so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm just chilling here for now. I put coins on the meter, so I have like 20 minutes here. The good thing about this is that they have parking, because it's really hard to find parking on Ventura. Number 2, there's a bunch of like stores here. There's Urban Outfitters, there's a Crave Cafe that you can go to. There's just a lot of like mom and pop shops that you can like chill before you go to workout. Also, I don't know if I mentioned yesterday about like how like good my skin looked. I woke up this morning with this, and I don't know if I'm having like an allergic reaction to something that I ate or something that I used last night, because last night I tried out this new like skincare for my face, and I woke up with this like thing right here, and I just, yeah, I don't know. Next time I'm just not gonna say anything about my skin, and like Jake said. But yeah, so that is the thing right now. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and answer some emails and get some work done in my car. Yeah, guys, I'm really scared. Like, I'm legit so scared of this workout. But it's okay. We'll be fine. I was like so scared for hot Pilates too, and lo and behold, I loved it so much that like I go to hot Pilates literally every single day now. So yeah. I'm done, guys. I'm done. Guys, I just finished Barry's, and Scott is amazing. He was so good and friendly. But I just finished. I'm sweating so bad. Like, look how red I am. Alright, so I just finished you know, calming myself down and like relaxing for a bit. But let me just like give you guys my little review of Barry's Bootcamp. I know y'all didn't ask for it, but I think you need to hear it. I don't even know where to start because everything was just like really good. So first off, for parking, you don't have to find street parking. You don't have to go in the neighborhood to find parking. They have their own garage because it's in a plaza and it's 2 hours free parking. So as long as you get it validated, then you're fine. So I was like, oh my god, like this is amazing, because finding street parking in LA is literally number 2. The ladies at the front desk was super friendly, super nice. They were like, hi, is it your first time? Yes. And then they like kind of gave me like a tour of like, here are the lockers, there's a bathroom there. Number 3, Scott, which is the first instructor that I took from Barry's Bootcamp, was amazing, you guys. I cannot stop talking about him. I'm like, I don't know if he'll ever watch this. It's not gonna be like, wow, he's such a fangirl, but honestly, you guys, like, he was so amazing, accommodating, super nice, super friendly from the very beginning. Even before I stepped foot in the red room, which is like where we do the workouts, he was like, hi, are you new here? And I was like, yes, it's my first time. And then he was like, oh, I'm Scott. And then I was like, hi, I'm Farina. It's like, Farina? He was like, Karina, Serena, Maria? And I was like, no, it's Farina. And then he was like, oh, what's your ethnicity? I'm Filipino. And it's like, oh, so it's very uncommon to have that name, like Farina. And then we were just like chatting, and then he showed me around how to use the treadmill, the weights, and just overall, guys, the experience was just like super nice. Like, I literally booked another class for tomorrow. I swapped out my previous hot sculpt class that I have somewhere else. I haven't tried that studio yet, but like, I was just like so blown away and amazed at how amazing the experience was that I'm just like, I'm probably gonna be super sore tomorrow, but I'm gonna go back because I thoroughly enjoyed every single moment, even though I was like dying. It was definitely really hard for me because, like I said, I'm not someone who runs a lot. Like, I will run if I see Bruno Mars and I will like sprint my ass, but like, I don't do much running, so it was kind of hard. But I'm gonna try my best to build it up and, like, you know, get to the other people's level. But for now, I'm gonna focus on myself and, like, you know, go at my own pace. And yeah. You guys, I have so much PR packages to open. We have from SHEIN, papaya. I'm not sure. We have 2 bags of BOOHOO. I already opened this one, and then a new one just came in. That's a lot. It's been a few hours now. I believe it's been like an hour or 2. I've just been like watching and eating lunch at the same time, and now I needed to, like, you know, be productive and stuff like that. But I have a huge PR package to unbox, you guys. 9 PR packages that I have to unbox. So I asked you guys on my Instagram if I should Instagram the unboxing or if I should just like vlog it, and you guys have voted for me to vlog it. So here's that huge PR/vlog girl mail unboxing. I already went ahead and showed you guys this in my previous vlog, but like, it's so nice and I love like getting PR packages. I'm forever grateful. But like, what am I gonna do with this packaging after? I feel like it's just like a waste of packaging when they can just like give us like smaller packaging, just, you know, to be eco-friendly. But regardless, it is a really cute one. I took out all the makeup products already. Oh wait, oh my god. So the brand Ricky Skinny sent me, oh my god, it comes with like a selfie thing that you can attach on the mirror. Wait, thank you so much, Ricky. I was actually like contemplating about buying a new mirror because the mirror that I got from Costco, the little round one, it was on sale and I've had it for a while, but I feel like it just doesn't work out because the mirror is so small. But guys, this one comes with magnetic phone clip. Wait, I'm so excited. What the heck? This is so freaking cute. So this is what it looks like. It has that little screen thing right now. But this is the Ricky Skinny. And oh my god, I'm so freaking excited for this. Now we have some BOOHOO items. So freaking cute. Wait, this is so much. this is the first bag. The second bag. So this one is obviously from Papaya. I have all of these. Got a lot of stuff here. Yeah, okay, so you get the point. There's a lot of stuff here. Thank you so much, SHEIN. I have a coupon code for you guys. If you use Q3Beauty415, I believe that's the code, you can get some discount off. So here's the aftermath after opening packages. I'm not even gonna try to open every single one like right now. I'll do it in the weekends. But here's just an overview of all the PR I got. Like, look. I have so much to clean. We're here to grocery shop. If I want this or this. Let's do a mix and match actually. Squash. What's this one?
Want me to get it? Oh my god. You should put this in your
But Halloween is almost over. Oh my god, look how cute this is, guys.
Very nice cilantro.
I got ground turkey because I'm going to try to make spaghetti squash. This is my squash. I know it seems little, but I am going to be doing or cooking my own meal prep, so it's just going to be me. Then I got some white mushrooms and baby bella mushroom. I don't know which one's better, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix it. Hopefully it's, you know, good. I don't know. And then I got lemons, avocado, cilantro, and that's it. Get this bag.
You right there. That's where I got
Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Is this too bright? I don't know, but I have a quick grocery haul for you guys because I am making my meal prep tonight. So we have spaghetti squash right here. I just got this small size. It's literally the size of my palm because I'm going to be the only one eating it. And I got some white mushrooms, yummy. I also have this baby bella mushrooms and some ground turkey, and I'm going to be cooking some spaghetti squash today. So I went ahead and heated the oven already. I'm just going to go put this in there, and yeah. This is literally not cutting. But everyone's here, everyone's done. I'm sweating. I don't know if I should shower. I didn't bring extra clothes, but I just finished SoulCycle. Felt great. What's up guys? So I just finished the event, which was a SoulCycle and Magic Links. I don't know if I vlogged me talking about it earlier, but yeah, so I just finished the SoulCycle event and I saw a couple of my friends. I saw Summer, Leia, and my friend Jessica Nightside was supposed to go, I think, but she didn't end up going, so I didn't see her. But it was such a fun event. I got to talk to some of the people that works at Magic Links, so thank you so much Magic Links for inviting me if you guys are watching this. And they also gave us like a goodie bag. We have this Vital Proteins collagen water and lemon ginger. I've actually tasted this before from another event. And then we also have these 2 collagen shot, which is also from Vital Proteins. One is turmeric and tart cherry, which is a dietary supplement, and then we have turmeric, pineapple, and lime. Oh my god, the color of these looks so not appetizing. A little brochure and then a towel.